Gonna give the babies this. Are they ready? Are you ready, friend? Let's see what they do. Trinity again doesn't like something. Q's not sure. What is that? Oh, Trinity, you like it? Don't you hit your brother. What do you think? Oh, Trinity likes it? You like it? What do you think? Oh, she likes it. She's starting to rub on it. Q's going back to the other new toy. What do you think? Nothing? Little rub? I know. Oh! Don't fight, guys. Trinity looks at him like, hey, what are you doing? I didn't think they would like it that much that they would want to smack each other with. What do you think, buddy? You like it? He's so black in the camera. You can't even tell where his face is. You like it? Whoop! You get it! Get it! Get it, buddy. Give it. Nope, that's your pom-pom. He's like, hey, a little too close. You want it? Oh, you see his eyes. He's so cute. You done?